Most people refer to Falooda as a drink, but have you ever tried a Falooda dessert? Today we're making Almond Falooda. This silky smooth dessert is a must in Ramadan and makes for a refreshing, cooling dessert, especially in summer. To start, in a pot and over medium heat, add 1 liter of full cream milk. To this, add in 2 heaped teaspoons of ground almond powder, and then add in 2 teaspoons of China grass or Falooda powder, and half a teaspoon of ilachi or cardamom powder, and bring this to a simmer. China grass or Falooda powder is also known as agar-agar powder and is a vegetarian alternative to gelatin. Once small bubbles start appearing, add in 290-gram can of dessert cream and a 285-gram can of condensed milk. Lightly beat the mixture and allow this to come to a boil, still on medium heat. Once the mixture starts bubbling, remove from the stove and add it to dessert bowls. Place this in a refrigerator to set for about 1 to 2 hours. From this recipe, I got 8 250 ml dessert bowls and a square 20 cm platter. Garnish the Falooda only once it has set, and here I am garnishing it with some toasted flaked almonds. Now let me show you how perfect the texture is. This recipe is just the best when making Falooda. The taste is amazing too. You have to try this for yourselves and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!